Yeah.
Mubs got beats.
Goof ass nigga. Talking all this goof ass shit. Fuck you mean, nigga. I don't fear shit but God, nigga. And I still clap your motherfucking ears together, shorty. You like a motherfucking baby, boy. What made me put my motherfucking foot on your neck? Gang. Talking all that motherfucking shit, nigga. Come see me in Chi-Town, nigga. Yeah. Fuck around with you niggas. Get your head beat in, nigga. Why you ain't met me in these streets? We can have a confrontation instead of acting on these beats. If I knew it was a problem, would've met you last week. I don't know you how you know me, less you with them police. I ain't fucking with you, shorty. You ain't snitching on me. Why you lying? You ain't never touched my bitch, nigga, please. Nothing you saying could be hurt my feelings, minds and my jeans. Right next to this money and a brand new lemon squeeze. Let bro how that pole, he gon' blow you to your knees. You gon' end up looking like you caught a zombie's disease. I'm gon' feel like, yeah, I'm with your bitch tonight, she my freak. God know that all this money I be getting ain't change a thing, ain't change a thing. Things got a 40 on the stove top, plus I got a 38 hiding in my crock pot. When I got a rifle, extra clip is like a tube sock. I will never fear a nigga on this planet, Tupac. I be fucking bitches, all you goofy niggas red box. I don't think you see us, when you see me shoulda said something. Frontin' for your friends, that's how goofies get a body swap. I don't play with kids unless I'm trying to fuck your mama, huh? She can give me head, let me nut all on her Cinnabons. I could give your bitch dick, I promise she gon' fall in love. Sorry, I ain't mean to make you think that I could give a fuck. Yeah, I got this instrumental bigger than a battle sword. Hitters hit 'em with the stick and slide off in this rental, boy. Don't you know you fucking with these Illinois? Get 'em, boys. Man, you pussy niggas, babies faker than the fakest Jordans. Killers know I'm crazy, I don't fight unless that shit important. I know when I'm done fighting, I wind up going to jail for it. You ain't trying to pop shit, you just trying to be annoying. I done been through prison, bitch. You look like you been in garbage. Shotty name Scotty, blow your body back to kindergarten, boy. Fake ass boost, lame ass rap. You ain't from my city, ho. Chicago, get it crackin'. Chirac, I don't know what you heard, bitch. You ain't for the act. Nope. I don't know what you thought, bitch. I ain't out lack. Nope. Fuck all that tough talk. Get a plane ticket, come see me. Bring your ass up to Illinois with that rap beef and get clapped, G. Niggas stay getting killed around here trying to be on that rap shit. We ain't really got time for all that sneak diss and we whack shit. Lil' bro, I got big sticks. I poke your ass like a cactus. Pussy nigga, I ain't scared of shit. Stop sneak diss and come handle it. Gang. Treat your ass like that fat bitch. Your homie sleeping with Agnes. Lil' bro, I ain't the one to be wolfing. I'll catch you in traffic. Gang. Niggas think they own some shit, but they really not. Gang. Look at all these goofy bitches talk to get their ass popped. All that kill shit you talk about, come see me, I'm on the block. Gang. Say my name on that sneak diss and shit that'll get your ass shot. Huh?
Mubs got beats.